Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today's question for you guys is related to, of course, Cortana going away. I do see a lot of people saying goodbye. It's all fine. I got no problem. You can see here in my Windows 11 machine, actually, it says Cortana in Windows is as a standalone app is deprecated. So it doesn't even work anymore here on Windows 11. So on Windows 10, it is soon, as it does say that it will eventually not be there. And of course, on Windows 11 and Windows 10, we have the Bing AI chat and stuff that you can check out. But one of the things that is coming, of course, is Copilot. Copilot for now seems to be Windows 11 only. Will it be Windows 10 at some point? I don't know. But for now, it really seems to be Windows 11 only. So it's kind of interesting to see that they, anyways, are deprecating and will remove even on Windows 10 the Cortana app, although it's still working as of now. But the question that I'm asking myself is, why would let's not talk AI here, because I think artificial intelligence definitely is useful, and there's a lot of cases and a lot of things that I've seen that definitely this is the future for a lot of things. But in terms of Copilot, Copilot will have two ways of interfacing with it. It will have the text interface of asking questions, which no one wants to do. And it will have a voice side where you can ask with your voice questions. And the question that I'm asking myself is, if you haven't used Cortana and didn't care about it, how would you care about Copilot anyways? They're trying to push it as, oh, well, but it's AI. And it's like, yeah, but in some way, Cortana was kind of that too, in a simpler form. I don't know. I can't see Copilot really being something that's going to work on Windows also. I mean, we dabbled with it. I looked, I made a couple of videos and joked and did things in the Copilot, the Bing AI, which resembles a lot of the Copilot when it's going to be finished. And the thing is after, we don't even talk about it anymore. Nobody's talking about it. We're not even talking about ChatGPT much anymore, even though it's used a lot right now. So my question to you guys, because I don't think it's going to really be something people are going to use, but what do you think? Replacing Cortana with Copilot, do you think it's going to change anything? Are you going to use it? I don't think so. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.